It's crazy that we're about to achieve this look, like the lighting, within like 2 seconds for you. I already finished this video. Can you not, please? I'm trying to record a video. I'm sorry, guys. This guy. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing before we get into anything in this video. But today, we're hopefully going to be changing this place up, and by the end of the video, we'll have better lighting, and I won't have to use this thing right here. I have a couple of these laying around. It's good light, but you know, when you're working in the garage, I just can't keep moving this stuff around. There's like 3 of them. And lining them up all the time is kind of hard. And sometimes I'm working under the car and it gets extremely hard to just move them around all the time. And yeah, we're hopefully changing that today. I also haven't done a video in a long time, so it feels good. It feels good to be back. I have this thing off of my old GorillaPod. I'm hoping to just mount it somewhere, like, so I can mount this somewhere up there, and then we'll have a nice, clean, top-down shot right here. Much better. All right, so we have our tube light here. I don't know what the brand this is. I don't think it really matters because it's bright as heck, so that's all that matters if you ask me. But my friend got this for me as a birthday present. You know who you are if you're watching. You should be watching. If you're not watching, we have a bigger problem on our hands. This is our tube light. It's extremely bright. It's nice. I have about 6 of these, and these connect to this cable right here. One end goes in the light, and this end goes on the outlet. There's also cables that have 2 ends like this. It's the same. So you can connect 2 of the tube lights into this cable really easy, and you would only have 1 switch. So that's awesome. That's said cable that I was talking about, both on the same end. As far as hardware, we have, I don't know what this is, I'm not gonna use it. These are brackets. You hook these up to the ceiling, and this is sort of a bracket that just kind of grabs onto this, like so. And this is not that heavy, so I mean, it should do good. I mean, that's that. There's everything we need. Now I just need to map this out so I don't make a mistake, and we should be solid. Also, this top-down shot, incredibly cool. Am I right? I don't know how smooth the footage is. I don't know what it looks like. I just hope this doesn't fall down, especially now, not on my face. This is all for you, so you can just disappear from my life as far as filming videos in the garage. I have a problem with you, so you need to like. All right, as far as mounting these, I'm thinking I'll put 1, 2, 3. Actually, no, 1 and 2, and then I might put 2 here, and I'm also gonna put 1 and 1 here. This is backup. This will have a different power source. But I'm gonna start by putting 4 right here. I think that should be more than enough. And I just gotta get up this ladder now. Okay, I'm doing pretty good. I think I can reach this top, so I can just start drill. Oh, I forgot the drill all the way down. First one's set. I put 1 over here and 1 over there. And this thing just hangs off. I'm gonna plug this into that extension cord, and we'll see how it looks. So this thing is plugged in. This is like pretty damn bright. I don't know how well it comes off camera, but considering I'm gonna have like 4 of these right here, I think this place will be solid. Even now, if I turn off the garage lights, like that's good. Imagine 4 of these. Like that's pretty good. Also, I know this thing is not straight right now. Before you bash me in the comments, yeah, it's not straight. But guess what? I don't care. I need good light, bad. I don't need straight good light. I need any sort of good light at this point. All right, enough talking. Now I need to do 4 more of these and then 2 over there, and we'll be good. We'll be really, really good, hopefully. Okay, you probably can't see me right now, and I don't see anything either. I'm about to plug the lights in, and we'll see how it looks. I plugged in all 4. See how like I don't have to take anything around. I could be here and it's good light. I could be here and it's good light. I could be in this corner and it's good light. Like, finally. I still have 2 more to go, by the way. So gotta do that one and that one. And normally I would think this is enough, but I just can't have enough light. You can never have enough. Also, since that wasn't straight, I decided to not make this one straight, and also not that one straight or that one. So none of these are straight, but you know, I feel like their non-straightness kind of added some character. I think it looks cooler this way. If it was straight, it would just be boring. Now kind of looks cool. Or it's just me trying to make myself feel better about not being able to do anything straight. I think that's it. But they look kind of cool. They still look kind of cool. So the back 2 lights are also finished now. As you can see, there's one there and one there, and our 4 crooked lights. Wait, what is that yellow one doing? Turn that off. All right, so now the garage is fully lit. The only thing I have to do off camera, because it's boring, is cable management. These are hanging all over, so I gotta kind of fix all the hanging cables and that mess over there. But I'll do that off camera, that's kind of boring. But that'll be it for today's video. Please don't forget to press the like button down below if you like the video. If you don't like the video, press dislike, leave a comment, say anything, it helps me out a ton. But I'll see you in another video. I hope that'll be soon. No promises. I'll see you. Peace.